In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from GitHub repository. We'll do everything in the GitHub web interface, so you don't need any command line tools. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each prompt means, and how to confirm the file is truly gone from the branch you're working on. Start by opening your browser and heading to your GitHub dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you work across personal and organization repositories. On the dashboard, look for the section labeled Top Repositories. This panel gives you quick access to projects you've worked on recently. Click it to expand the list, then select the repository where the file lives. Double-check the repo name so you don't accidentally delete something from the wrong project. Inside the repository, browse the file list and open the file you want to remove. In this example, we'll use a README file, but the process is identical for any tracked file. Click the file name to open its contents view. At the top of the file page, look for the Delete control. Depending on your screen size and settings, it may appear as a trash can icon or inside an overflow menu. Click Delete File. If you don't see the Delete option, you might not have right access to this repository, or the current branch could be protected. In that case, you'll need permission, or you'll commit the change to a new branch instead. After clicking Delete, GitHub takes you to a Commit Changes form. This is where you explain what you're doing. In the first field, add a short, clear message like, "Remove README to keep the history easy to scan." In the larger description box below, you can add context if needed, such as why the file is no longer required. Good commit messages make future troubleshooting much easier. Next, choose where to apply this change. You'll typically see the option to commit directly to the default branch or to create a new branch. If the default branch allows direct commits and you're confident in the change, committing directly is fastest. If the branch is protected, or you want a review, select the new branch option. That prepares the change for review without affecting the main code immediately. When everything looks right, click Commit Changes. GitHub will process your deletion and return you to the repository. To verify, check the file list on the branch you targeted. The file should no longer